got to cross this road, risking life and death, just because we found one of these. So we just got to ask permission. Okay, yarn shot number 2. So it's slightly smaller than the last one. And I know some of you are going to say, like, no, it's not as organised, it's bright. We have thread, we have ribbon, we've got glitz. I don't think we had glitz in the last one. It's quite thick, it's chunky. Really confused because this one is 2 different colours, whereas the rest have got just one colour in. Glitz, glitz, glitz. Okay, go, that side we go round. Okay, so we have thread, stitch markers. Go. I didn't see stitch markers in the last place. Oh, got prim. They got prim hooks. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Okay. I feel like some of you are going, that's just like my bedroom. Pom-pom makers. Okay. Hey, clover. Oh my gosh, we've got clover. I might have to get a clover for you guys. Tulip. Oh, tulip. Tulip. Neon. Now I know a couple of you said about neon. There's neon down there. We have little heart stitch markers, they're so cute. Little broken eggies. Point protectors, tulip point protectors. Oh my gosh. So, and then we have overstock of zips and ribbons and yarn. We have embroidery thread, DMC embroidery thread. Oh, look! Okay. That's quite cute. So I don't know what that is. And again, there's no hand dyed, but why it's all slanted. Why am I all slanted? What the heck? Okay. The hunter's belly in the way. T-shirt yarn. Okay. So I'm gonna go and grab a couple of bits for you guys, and you'll have to see when I get back, I guess. Maybe. Oh, that's supposed to be in a post. In a post. Okay. In a post so they can see it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh. Look at him advertising already. Okay. So this is it. There you go. Hunter, selamat tinggal.